This is not your ordinary lasagna. Pakuluan ng tubig, lagyan ng isang kutsarang asin at isang kutsarang mantika para hindi dumikit ang noodles. Ilagay ang lasagna noodles at lutuin ayon sa package instruction. Huwag ito lumampas sa pagluto para hindi lumambot ng sobra. Kapag luto na, salain at banlawan ng malabig na tubig para hindi magdikit-dikit, iset aside. Sa isang kawali, painitin ng mantika, igisa ang bawang, sibuyas at red bell peppers hanggang mabango. Ilagay ang ground pork, beef, hotdogs at lutuin hanggang maging brown. Ibuhos ang tomato sauce, lagyan ng asin, paminta, asukal at tomato sauce. Lagyan ng carrots, haluin at hanggang kumulo sa loob ng 10 to 15 minutes or hanggang lumapot. Sa isang malit na kawali, tunawin ang butter sa mababang apoy. Idagdag ang harina at haluin hanggang maging paste. Dahan-dahang ibuhos ang gatas habang patuloy na inahalo para maiwasan ang buo-buo. Lagyan ng melted cheese, cream at haluin hanggang maging creamy.
SE Sports. What to do after you signed up in your SES. First, recharge your account. You can recharge your account by using Maya or Gcash. Second, buy a project. Buying a project will earn you profit after several days. Buying higher projects will earn you more than you expected. Third, set up withdrawal account. This is for your account so that you will receive your profit directly to your account. Fourth, set up your address. This is for SES prizes and rewards that you have won and will be sent directly to the address that you have put in your account. Fifth, contact the manager. For giving you the guidelines, concerns, and link to the SES community, so you can share your wins and know all the latest news herein. SE Sports. Follow for more educational contents.
Sa isang deep microwavable, lagyan ng unang layer ng meat sauce. Ilagay ang lasagna noodles sa ibabaw. Ibuhos ang white sauce. Ulitin ang proseso hanggang maubos ang sangkap. Ihain at enjoyin ang creamy, cheesy, no-bake lasagna.